guys, it's your boy Cole, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some tricks of the Rubik's Cube. I have two of them. I have a quick solve and I have a normal. So today I'm going to be telling you some tricks. So my first trick is, do you guys know how to break into Rubik's Cube? Well, I do. So first is what you do. So you get it all loose. People just say you do this the whole time. You don't. You do this. So you do this for about 30 seconds. And you do this one about 30 seconds. You do this one about 30 seconds. You do all those for almost every side. And then it'll break it in. So my second thing is another trick. So what you do is you go like this. I can't really shoot it like that. So what you do, so you go right, up, left, up, down here, to the left. And then when it's solved, or you solve the color, it'll magically solve again. See? There you go. I had trouble with this one. And you guys might ask, what happened to this? My dog ate it. So, it's not pretty. And then I had trouble with this one. Sometimes it doesn't work all the time, but mostly it does. So it goes up to your friends. Oh, guess what? I can solve the Rubik's Cube from a soft state. Look, watch. Then you just do that, and then here it is. My last thing that I want to tell you guys, my trick, is when you solve a color, it takes a long time, but when you solve a color, if you guys know how to solve a color, I'm going to solve one for you guys right now. So when you solve a color and you just keep going away, like, what I mean, is, you go, I figured this one out. So what you do is you, let me solve this. So what you do is you go like this. Watch. Watch. So you go left, up, right, over to the right. Like the top up here, the top over. So the right side on you go up, the left over. And if you keep doing that over and over again, it'll go to a solved state. This does not work with a solved Rubik's Cube. It only works with a solved color, which I don't have right now, but I have it on this. It does not work with a solved Rubik's Cube. Okay, that's all what I had for you guys today, and thank you for watching. Peace out. Make sure you subscribe.